Hi, good morning. My name is Enzo, and welcome on board my boat. His name is Bubi. He's an Oceanis, he's a Beneteau Oceanis 46. And today I'm going to unbox this brand new battery monitor BMV 712 from Victron. So let's see what we'll find inside the box. So let me open. So first of all, a very huge manual with this important document. That is the quick installation guide that we will use later on for the installation. So inside the box there is the instruments, okay, with the connection on the back. And this one is the shunt. It is one of the most important components of the battery monitor, and we will have to connect the negative of the battery on this side. It is written battery only from this side, and on this one we have to connect all the loads and battery charger and all other stuff. In fact, it's written load and charger on this side, and this one only the battery. Then we will have two red cable that later on we have to connect this cable to the positive pole of the battery. One is for the house battery, the other one, if we want it, for example, for the engine battery. We will see. And should be connected on B1 or B2 connection. Like that. Then there is a very long cable, should be around 10 meters, with two connectors that goes inside over there, and on the other end to the instruments. So it is quite long. I think it should be around 10 meters, 30 feet. So it allows you to put the instrument whenever you like, in even very distant from the battery. The last thing is this frame for the instrument, in order to perform a very nice installation in the navigation, close to the navigation table, or within any other panel on the boat. So for the unboxing is all. I will prepare all the necessary tools, and later on we will proceed with installation. See you later. So this is my house battery bank. It's composed by 4 batteries. This AGM battery, 160 amps. This is the number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4. It's now time to start to work. I have to crimp the old cable, the cable that goes to the battery charger and the load, with a new terminal. And in order to do that, I will use an hydraulic crimping tool, initially with a 7-0 tool, and then I will change and I use the 50mm in order to better crimp the cable. The result was quite good, let me say. I'm satisfied about that. Okay guys, since I do not have a bigger one of this, I have removed the outside cover and I have left the inside. I put on this one, and with the heating gun try to set it. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm quite happy. It's perfect isolated and I'm quite satisfied. What do you think? Okay, now we have to identify where to put the shunt. I think that I will position the shunt over there. So from this position I can connect the battery and the load and all the connector that I need. So from the positive pole of the first battery, that is that one, to here, and the network cable from here to the cockpit over there. So that's gone. Okay guys, the shunt is in position, and the two pole, the one coming from the battery and the other one going to the loads and battery charger, are connected to the shunt. So those one are the new cable crimped that goes to the shunt. This one is the old one with the new crimped connector that goes to the loads and battery charger that are over there. Here we have two battery charger, both are for the house battery, and this one is for house battery and for the engine battery. So guys, the installation is complete. This is the shunt, all the connection done. I have cleaned and I'm ready to close it. I've installed the battery monitor over there, and now it's time to start with the configuration and even the Bluetooth connection for the smartphone. So let's go. Okay, so the installation is complete, and even the configuration with the Victron app on my iPhone. So we can see here the status of the battery is 100%. Now the tension, the volts coming from the battery charger. Look, if I disconnect the battery charger, if I switch off the battery charger, tension will decrease slowly to the real battery tension. This is the ampere coming out from the battery, and this is the power in watts, and this is the duration of the battery if we will maintain this level of discharge, and if we do not charge in any way the battery, I mean with battery charge, solar panel or wind generator. So look at that, the battery tension is decreasing very slowly. Now the battery is fully charged, so should decrease around 13 or 12.9, and I will try to switch on some more lights just to increase these the amps absorbed by from the battery. Let me switch on more lights. Okay, now it's 3.46 amps instead of 2.5 of before, just using some more lights. I have all my lights are with LED, so the absorption is very low, as we can see. But anyway, it's around 3.5 amps and 48 watts. And the app is telling me that if I maintain this level of absorption from the battery is going to last for, let me say, 1 day and a half. Of course, if I will not charge the battery. Now I'm going to switch on again the battery charger, and the tension is increasing. There is no discharge but only charge with positive, is not negative anymore, and the duration is without any limits. And that's it. I'm very satisfied. It's a really smart app. It will help me in try to manage the battery. My boat, I have of course the battery charger when I'm on dock. I have solar panel and diesel generator, and I'm going to install the wind generator. This is the Silent Wind Pro. It will arrive this week, and I'll try to share with you even the installation of the wind generator. I hope this will help somebody else, and why not even I hope that you enjoy this kind of video as like I do, looking to the other guys doing this kind of job.